And hello YouTube one more time. I just uploaded a video of how I was fixing this connector right here, the jack replacement, on this Acer Predator Triton 500 pt515-51 n18w3. And everything did work, it did power up, and I figured I would just send it to the client. But then I was thinking, I didn't really see much problem with the jack, so let me just charge it up for some time, for a couple of hours. So I come back in a couple of hours and I'm trying to power up the system and it doesn't really want to power up. And I'm trying my own power supply and my own power supply seems to be fine. So I take it all apart and you could see right here is the problem right there. You see this? I never seen anything white on the board like that. So this is, it's the white is the part of the diode. So the insides came outside. So this is the problem right here. All right. So that's the plus right here. That's the minus right there. My understanding, the plus goes through those two pieces, goes through this guy, goes through this diode, then goes through that diode, and then goes out here. So this is right here is the problem, which I'm gonna hopefully. So first thing to do is to remove this guy. To remove this guy, you need to apply a whole bunch of hot air, and the problem is this is plastic and that's plastic. So you have to insulate the area with the, oh shoot, I'm out of, let me go downstairs, find the proper insulation. I realized that you guys been donating some money to me for better equipment, and this is the $1,000 microscope, which maybe $100 was your donations and $900 were my money. But the reason it's $1,000 because you could see it clearly that this is the problem. Let me find something to point with here. This is the problem right here. Wow. Yeah, so the situation is it's all part of the inside. So let me show you how it looks in 3D. So you see right there. Oh, and it's even cracked right here. Wow. So that's what happens. And I guess it's exactly the same component as this one right here. Let's switch. You can't really see much which component this is, but that's probably the best way to see it. Usually one after another one, two of them should be in the same row. So here we got crack right here, no crack on this side, but basically it's a diode. We got 3 legs here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So 4 legs here, 4 legs there, probably something underneath holding it down. So the goal is to remove this chip. Yeah, that's the my channel is the only channel that has this 3D microscope in again it's $1,000, so I can see exactly what happened and where. Oh, and it's just falling apart. Anyways, oh, and this thing also gonna be falling apart like that. And that's the reason why sometimes it did work, sometimes it didn't work. So let me trash all that into the garbage can, clean up the space. All right, let's bring it back. Bring it back. Sing it back. So like that. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so let's try and clean it. Let's try and clean this guy up. Alright, so if only I would know that how the current flows here. Well, I will figure it out. Let me clean up those connections here. Yeah, so that's the problem. Maybe it's caused by one of the capacitors nearby that shorted this guy, but maybe it's constant power interruptions that cause this guy to overheat and die. All right. So let's see if we can clean it up. Well, let's see if we can clean it up under the microscope, because this microscope is made for slightly other purposes. I bought it for USB Type-C soldering. It just my fume extractor can only handle one microscope at a time, so I can't have two microscopes here showing you everything what's going on. What's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 where is my support for the motherboard? Hey, hey, hey. What's going on? Okay, like that. Looks good? Okay. Let's roll. What's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I hope to clean it up so that it would look really nice. And if it's gonna look really nice, that means like that. Let me position it like that. Let me put a whole bunch of plugs right here. What's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. Yeah, the remaining legs are still partially right here. Come on. I say, hey. Doesn't want to clean up. I was hoping it's gonna be nice and clean in a second, but nope. I say, hey. What's going on? I think it's part of the diet, what I'm trying to clean up here. That's the reason it looks so bad. Because, yeah, I think it's part of the diet. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that metal part right here is a part of the diet because it sticks out like crazy. And this stuff right here, also partially part of the diet. So what I'm gonna do is add a whole bunch of flux and add some solder to the equation. Once the new solder mixes with the old solder, I would probably be able to remove yeah, no. Nope. Doesn't want to be removed. Nothing wants to be removed here with the soldering iron. Shoot. Oh, I haven't damaged that guy. Alright. That's not working out for me. Alright, so what I have done is insulated the area right there with the tape. That's a high temperature 3M tape, which is ridiculously expensive nowadays for some reason. Let me put some Captain tape on that ribbon cable. I don't want the ribbon cable to be damaged while I'm trying. All right. And the next thing I'm gonna do is bring down the hot air and see if I could use the hot air to get the remainings of the old diode from the motherboard. Of the old part of the diode doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to right there on this guy, on this pad. This pad. None of them want to come out. That's horrible news for me, because I think I got a couple of those diodes in stock, and I was under the impression I could pretty much just put a new diode in place and be done with it. Come on. Man, what's your problem? I apologize, you probably haven't seen half of the work I did here because I was looking at one monitor. That monitor is direct microscope monitor. Let's see if we can. Yeah. This guy is so tiny. So tiny. Come on. And now it's fine. Soldered here. Soldered right there, and I'm just gonna make sure that it's not shorting anything. Yeah. All right. Let's clean it up one more time. All right. Okay, I will let it soak up the sun and dry up, and then I'm gonna assemble it back together, and hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, so the system seemed to work fine. I forgot that I'm recording the video. I was testing the system downstairs. So anyways, that was the problem. Just bypass it, and I don't know how long it's gonna work for, but it should. Thank you. Bye.